Hello and good evening. You're watching TMB News. I'm Manju Sukham. Let's have a look at the top stories of the day. Emphasizing the ongoing battle against narcotics in Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said the state government reaffirmed their commitment to eradicating drug abuse, trafficking, and its devastating effects on our society. He said the government of Manipur is committed working together to create a healthier and safer future Manipur for all. CM N. Biren also flagged off a bike rally held in connection with the observation of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Trafficking from CM Secretariat on Wednesday, organized by Manipur Police. Officers and security personnel of Manipur Police Department participated in the bike rally. Senior BJP MP Om Birla was re-elected as the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha. He was elected with a voice vote as the opposition, which fielded Congress MP K. Suresh for the post, did not press for voting in the House. After his election, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju escorted Om Birla to the Speaker's chair. Om Birla had previously served as the Speaker in the last Lok Sabha. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2024, under the theme "The Evidence is Clear, Invest in Prevention," was observed at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles, Imphal on Wednesday. The event was led by Commandant 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles and was attended by medical officers of the battalion unit hospital, Dr. Kilabati, Dr. Elvis, other officers and personnel of the battalion. Battalion Commandant Dr. S. Ibomcha appealed the officers and personnel who attended not to touch and taste drugs in life. The participants also took a pledge in connection with the event. Kuki militants once again burned down 3 houses under Borobekra subdivision, Jiribam, Manipur on Wednesday early morning around 2:25 a.m. According to report received from Jiribam, Kuki militants destroyed the 3 houses using bomb and later burning down. The burnt down houses belongs to Bir Mohan of Harinagar, Chauran of Naranpur, and Rajesh of Gaukhal, Borobekra subdivision, Jiribam, Manipur. Out of the 3 houses, 2 houses belongs to the Meitei community, while another belongs to Bishnupriya. Thousands of women carried out mass rally in Jiribam demanding to deploy state security forces immediately in Jiribam's Borobekra. The protesters chanted various slogans including "Save Territorial Integrity of Manipur," "No to Separate Administration," and many other related with the ongoing Manipur crisis. The mass rally was carried out strongly condemning the atrocities carried out by Kuki militants at the Meitei villages in Jiribam. Supporting bright future of Manipur Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR East on Wednesday organized education workshop of internally displaced school children to Isar to Kolkata under the theme "Empowering Minds, Bridging Futures Through Science and Education." Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, in a press meet held on Wednesday said that a tour on the theme "Safe Manipur" will flag off from Thao Ground in Imphal West on July 28, 9 a.m. The tour is organized in view of the ongoing Manipur crisis. A team of Manipur police have arrested 1 drug peddler with contraband heroin powder from Imphal West District on Tuesday. The arrested person was identified as MD Saruk Khan, 31 years. Police recovered 20 soap cases containing suspected heroin powder weighing a total of 230 grams from his possession. Deputy Commissioner Thobal A. Subhas Singh on Tuesday chaired and reviewed various schemes and projects taken up by all the departments in the district. During the meeting held at the conference hall of Deputy Commissioner, he congratulated all the officers who were part of the successful conduct of the 18th Lok Sabha election 2024 and conveyed to all the departments to extend maximum cooperation for any work which requires interdepartmental consultation for execution. Schemes or projects of various departments including Education, PHED, PWD, DSWO, SSP, CMO and others were discussed in detail. Combined teams of state and central forces have recovered huge cache of arms, ammunition, explosives and warlike stores during search operation conducted in the fringe and vulnerable areas of both hill and valley districts of Manipur in the last 24 hours. The combined team conducted search operations in the hill range of Purum Kholen village, Kakching district. The team also carried out search operation in Lailoipai village, Dongjang village and Henken village, Churachandpur district. Search operation was also conducted at Maungjang village, Technopol district. Security forces also conducted in the fringe and vulnerable area located between Maungjarong, Kunau and Ol Nungnang village, None district. The operation led to the seizure of various weapons and equipments. Security forces have assured movement of 85 and 243 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items in the last 24 hours. Strict security measures were also taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy were also provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 125 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 77 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state. In a game that was settled by spot kicks, Poland and France played out a 1-1 draw in their final group stage game of the Euro 2024 at the Signal Iduna Park on Tuesday. A draw was enough to secure a spot for France in the round of 16 as they secured a second spot finish in Group D. France eventually found the breakthrough with Mbappe converting the spot kick, bagging his first goal in the European Championship. The Polish record goal scorer made no mistake from the spot kick and brought the game on level terms. The game ended on level terms with France bagging a spot in the round of 16 by finishing second in Group D.